Hi, my name is Lucy the Chicken. When you're kind, I'm happy. When I was a baby, they took me from my mama. They separated me from my brothers, and I never saw them again. When I became old enough to lay eggs, they put me in a tiny cage called a battery cage. It hurt my feet and tore at my feathers. Then they took my eggs and used them themselves. They acted like I was a machine, not an individual. I cried. Then when I and my friends grew too old and too weak to lay so many eggs for them, they loaded us onto the crowded truck. Just then, kind people came to speak for us. The men loading us on the truck said, "Fine, take 2 of them then." And they handed me and my friend Sally to the kind people called vegan activists. They held us so gently, with so much love we'd never known. You can help me and my friends by going vegan and speaking for us. Be kind, live vegan.